AirPods Pro 3 gesture controls failing? You're not alone. Many users experience unresponsive press and swipe gestures for pausing or skipping tracks. The most common causes are software glitches, dirty sensors, or low battery. Start with the quickest fixes. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are properly paired and charged. Clean the earbud stems with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dirt or debris that might be interfering with the sensors. Then, quickly restart your connected device to refresh the Bluetooth connection. If these simple steps don't resolve the issue, move on to the troubleshooting steps described in the next section. If basic fixes don't work, update your iOS and AirPods firmware via Settings, General, Software Update. Apple's iOS 18.3 update from August 2025 specifically addressed gesture responsiveness. Next, reset your AirPods Pro 3 by forgetting the device in Bluetooth settings and repairing. Customize gesture settings in Settings, Accessibility, AirPods to ensure they're configured correctly. Voice commands using Siri can be a reliable workaround if gestures are consistently failing. For persistent hardware issues, especially if your AirPods are from a late 2024 production run, contact Apple support for diagnostics and potential replacement under the Silent Recall program. Regularly update your firmware and avoid moisture exposure to prevent future sensor degradation.